Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your computers teacher with the week number 6 assignment, which is the hands-on activity. Okay? So it is actually given at the textbook page number 18. It is from task number 3, working with tables. Working with tables, we actually did this whole task. We discussed the concept of this whole task in last week also. We talked about rows and columns and cells. How can we insert the table? How can we insert the rows and columns? How do we delete them? And how can we format it? So these were all the things we learned last week, and today we are going to perform a hands-on activity. Okay, so it is actually given at the page number 18 of your textbook. So let's just see it. Here is the hands-on activity. Okay, if you just see at the right side of the page, there is a boy pointing something. He's saying that create a table for your school schedule, put the days in columns, the hours in rows, and the subjects in the cells. Format the schedule as you like, use a big font size and print it for your desk. Okay, just don't get confused. See the left side of the page. Okay, so I have actually divided the whole activity into multiple chunks. As you can see that I have divided it into multiple steps, sub-steps of one activity. So what are we actually going to do? We have to put the days in, we have to create a table. Then we have to put the days in columns. Days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, as you go to the school 5 days a week. And the Saturday and Sunday are, we are not going to count them because they are off days. Similarly, the hours in the rows, so and the subjects in the cells. Then we have to format the schedule as you like, and you have to use a big font size so it is readable and clearly visible. And the last step is we have to print it for your desk. Okay, if you are using the one at your home these days, you can print it for your desk and paste it over there. Okay, so first just tell me what is a column. Just revise the concept. Just revise the concept of columns. Here is column and here is rows. As if you just remember, I gave you example of your class. It is consist of rows and columns. The columns are the vertical lines which are going from top to the bottom. As you can see that I have used this picture. Okay, use these I have used these shapes just for your indication that these are the columns which are going from top to the bottom. And what are rows? Rows are the horizontal lines which are going from left to the right. Okay, so they are running from left to the right or right to the left. They are known as rows. And what are cells? The intersection of rows and columns makes up a cell. Okay, so the hands-on activity, I have created a sample for your convenience. For example, I have created this time schedule in which I have put the days in columns. These are the columns. Okay, they are running from top to the bottom. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3, column number 4, column number 5, this is column number 5, this whole one is column number 5, and this whole is column number 6. Similarly, this is row number 1, this is row number 2, this is row number 3, row number 4 and row number 5. I have put the hours in rows, I have put the days in columns, and the subjects in cells. These are the subjects: English, Math, Science, Urdu. Okay, these are the subjects. I have put them in cells. And then the next step was we have to format them. Now I have applied the formatting to the like I have added colors. So you can also add the colors. How did I actually shaded it? This is, you have to first select it and then you have to click over it. This is how I have did this. Okay, so you just need to first select it and then color it. You can change the color also, like by going into this option, and like I'm going to click over here. So this is how I have did it. Okay, so this was all about week number 6 assignment. You have to create a timetable and you have to then format it. Okay, one more thing, the last step was you have to print it. Okay, we are not going to do this because most of you are not having printer at your home, but I can just tell you how do you print it. Just go into the okay Okay, so you have to, what you have to do is you have to press the combination of keys. They are control plus p, okay, p for parrot, control plus p, control plus p. When you press the control plus p, this is the window that appears. So then you, for example, if you are going to print the schedule, you are going to click current page, okay, and then you are going to click ok. When you click ok, the printer will get the command of printing the page, and it will print you out the particular page. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. Now you have to practice this activity. You can take the help from your book, and you have to submit it by due date. Okay, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.